So I just wanted to point out on the Subaru, the ej25, you can see on this one here, the belt is relatively new. The markings are, you can still read them and everything. But that's not what fails here. Usually it's one of these guys, especially this one. There's a lot of force on that since the belt's wrapping around that so tightly. And this one is almost always the one that fails. It'll shoot its little ball bearings out all over the places. Somehow this was still kind of working. You see bearings shooting down over here. And this was actually, looked like it had a pretty decent bearings in it. These are the ones from Japan. You got NTN up here. But what's probably went on is this most likely is original and it just ran and ran and ran and they never changed it. Maybe they just changed the belt because the belt looks new. I don't think that's a Mitsubishi belt. No, this isn't from Subaru. So everything else looks like it may have been, except I don't think that's original. I don't know. But what I do know is that this probably wasn't replaced, and that's what happens. And when that happens, it's very easy for this to fall off and or get caught up and just rip the belt, and the belt snaps. So make sure to get good ones and change them when you're supposed to. Look at that. That actually ran up into the, oh my goodness, look at that. It pushed over that little washer. Look, that's moving. Okay, that is broken. I wonder if oil's coming out of there. That certainly ate in. So we're gonna have a fun time disassembling this engine and seeing all the fun hidden little treasures about it. But yeah, I just wanted to point that out. And you know, you want to have this is what it should look like. Yeah, NSK from Japan. You know, like I said, they'd probably just never ever changed it. It ended up not too happy. So make sure to change everything and not just the belt. I think that's kind of what went on here. Maybe they changed the water pump. It was leaking and said, hey, let's throw another belt on there. I don't know. I really don't know, because this is actually connected to the water pump. So, yep, just something to keep in mind.